Hello and welcome to How to Helen. In this episode, we're going to install faux fiber sticker or overlay on this 2008 Infiniti EX35. I was able to buy the faux fiber sticker from AliExpress. Now, if you saw my previous video, it is very practical or more practical to just replace the whole shifter knob. Unfortunately for this vehicle in particular, the skirt of the shifter knob and the shifter knob is color gray. Now on AliExpress or eBay or even on Amazon, I can only find shifter knobs in color beige or black. So the gray color is very unique. So I am resorting to just putting a carbon fiber overlay on the top of the shifter knob to hide the imperfections. Now before putting in the overlay, use some wipes or even just soap and water to clean the mounting area. So that there's no dirt and debris in between the carbon fiber and the top of the shifter knob. Okay, let me just throw this out. So here's the carbon fiber and the sticker to put on top of the shifter knob. So this is a double-sided tape that we put on top of the shifter knob. Peel off one side and stick it on top of the shifter knob. Oh, this is quite challenging. Okay, there you go. Now try to center it as much as you can so that it is centered when you put on the overlay. Okay, don't mess it up like I did. Now practice first so we know how it looks like when we install it. Alright, now take off the top of the sticker. Alright, the sticker's coming out with the top, so try the best you can to separate them. Now mount it back on the top and carefully, and I mean carefully, put on the carbon fiber overlay. And there you go. Ta-da! At least it's hiding the imperfections on top. But if you can, I would still recommend just installing a new shifter knob. And that is how to install faux fiber on a shifter knob for a 2008 Infiniti EX35. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name is Jeff, and thank you for watching.